Come test drive the 2019 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size, but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, power rear liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.